Beautiful afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Steve Burnett here from PresentationMate.com. Once again, that's PresentationMate.com. And the reason that you are here today is you're looking for the world's best dry eraser marker caddy. And I gotta tell you, we found it here with PresentationMate.com. Not only will PresentationMate save you a ton of money by making sure none of your markers dry out, but it'll make you super efficient in the office as well. If you give us a few seconds, we'll be able to show you how.
Hey John, Scott here. Just real quick on the PresentationMate highlights. The pins are vertical. The eraser pad is pulled out each end, right? Thick, replaceable felt eraser pad, okay? Big thing is, it's dynamic. You twist the pins in and out, different colors, okay? So I'm doing that. So the big thing is the ink is kept at the bottom of the pen, right? You can write, ink dries out, surgical erasing, different colors, multiple colors, that sort of thing. Makes sense?